That was impressive as shit. Jesus Christ. God dang. Fucking, bro, like you don't even need another car, dude. Like, who needs another car, bro? Jesus Christ. Like, I wouldn't need any more than what this is providing. Damn, that's a V8. This thing is wild, bro.
This thing, like, I was nervous. I was nervous about spending $54,000. Bro,
worth every penny. Worth every fucking penny, bro.
If this car was gone and I saw it again for sale, I'd buy it, no doubt.
I'm curious.
Much more with it.
I'm curious to see what it feels like stock, because I just need a stock one. I'm sure of it, probably.
I feel like